Yeah, tell them what I tell you. I hear them your friend every day. And Daddy Roy, my birthday. My friend Daddy Roy, you know. See that?
So I want to say here, come on now. You see it? Hold up our Willie D. Bernstock. Speak up yourself early, you know.
What time they just start?
What they find early? Hold on it. You see it? Hold on it. You see it? Hold on five. What a man there, you know.
Yeah, let me get a blood shit.
You see it? Rastafari, you believe in never sure of people. Out and bad. Nah. I'm going to hold on there, yo. Well, big up yourself, yo.
Big up Trevor Panningberg Strong.
Yeah.
Really out there, real life. You see it? Yeah. Quick stand.
Man, I know what got you. Some boy I talk about Ray. Some boy I know Bob Marley face to face. Some boy I talk about Ray.
You're the superstar. You're the superstar, then.
Yeah, you mean?
What you mean? Who are that friend? Who are that dog? Who are that? You don't know.
No,
Massive.
long time ago, man. We know enough people, you know. Doing the spot face to face. Start to the general. All kind of people, we know.
The pretty rat over here, so. How old are five? Don't throw the back, yeah. Don't throw the back. Yeah, man. How old are bad?
Come in, Africa, brother. Press people. Come in, press.
Birthday.
Hello.
Willie Day birthday. Willie birthday, you know. Bob, what's that?
Yeah.
Autumn bad. Nah.
Bullet.
Daddy right.
Bullet.
Daddy right.
Yeah.
See ya, man.